How to change age on Hellotalk application. First things first is access your Hellotalk app and make sure that you're logged into your account. From here, all you have to do is just simply tapping the Me tab located at the lower right of your screen. And from here, you'll have to find and tap on the gear icon right here, which will take you to your user settings. Now there is no actual or immediate button that you can just directly change your age. So what we need to do right here is we'll have to coordinate with one of the support from HelloTalk. To do that, just simply tap on the Help tab. And this is going to be the page in which you can ask for request and send for any changes that involves your account. Now all you have to do is you go ahead and tap on Customer Assistant. From here, all you have to do is just simply typing in, I want to change my age. And from here, all you have to do next is just to provide a specific reason why you would like to change your age or any information that you would like to be changed. So that's it. That's how you change age on HelloTalk app.